Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Now gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
And what?
What's up, Bomb Squad? It's Nick.
And DC KOOLAID.
And Lisa. And Brittany.
And Charles.
Baby, we have no idea what we're doing.
But I'm with them.
No, it doesn't matter. We don't know. Are we psychic? Is this the psychic video?
But I'm with you.
This is the psychic challenge?
But I'm with y'all.
Okay.
I'm with y'all.
I'm about to get up.
This video. She just said she about to get up and go watch videos. Anyway,
TV. Ain't gonna lie to y'all.
TV videos, same thing make you watch. My thing is, people been doing this challenge. So we just gonna do the challenge and see if, who will win amongst us three. And it's like a 5-part challenge.
Against us 3.
I mean, us 5, my bad.
Nick's like,
Because I'm just used to, it's just odd that I'm sitting in the middle of everybody. When last time we did everybody together?
well,
When we were doing the gum thing,
The bubblegum,
ASMR.
yeah.
Maybe it was the pickles. It was one of those.
oh, the pickles.
Did y'all do the pickles with us?
Yeah.
Yes. You go, yeah, this
She was the one that was being like.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, so we're gonna do this video. It's a 5-part video.
Oh.
It's like 5 parts, and the thing is, we gotta see. Why you got
You like a crash course?
a who?
Crash course?
I should have bought something I can write on, but we can keep up with ourselves because there ain't nobody gonna want the other one to win. So I'll be right back. Y'all go ahead and talk to the Bomb Squad. Tell them, you don't know what to expect.
We don't. The only thing I can recall is she bought like 5 entire sodas, and they're just like random. It wasn't even like, I don't know, but they're just big sodas. I'm pretty sure it has
What do we
Can I get
have to do with
Fanta?
that?
Can I get Fanta?
No, this is the most.
Ginger brew?
No, hold on. That's your ginger ale.
I'm gonna talk about that.
I'm trying to get
What do we
this.
have to do?
Which one? Well, this
Okay.
is it. Which one you want, Brittany? Coke or Pepsi?
Ginger ale or Fanta?
Like-
Or water?
Come on, you gotta take one of these. Take
Is
that.
it the drink?
Come on. So anyway, we have a soda. The thing is, why Charles? Like, why you looking? You have to on the first round. You have to take the soda. It's not a gulp thing, but you gotta swallow 5 times. Round 1. If you burp, you lose.
Oh, look, that's so stupid.
And you got 5. It's hard. I've seen people try to do it. You have 5 rounds. The first round, you go, and then you gotta hold it. And then if everybody does 5 rounds, then we go to the second round. So it's to see who can make it to the 5th round of doing this. I just drink the soda, huh? All right, so let's go ahead. Let's open it up. Get the sizzle noise. Let's get this. Why mine?
You just want Pepsi. You didn't have any, but you said anyway.
So,
Imagine?
You need help?
No, it's like, oh, there we go.
so we're gonna see who can drink the 5
That's tough.
swallows. You can't burp. You gotta hold it. I've seen so many people like this trying not to burp, and it'll go away because theirs went away. But you gotta hold it. And then round 2, when everybody did their first round, we're gonna do second round. Now this one right here, Lisa.
She burps on air.
No, but she's competitive. So I
But
gotta.
she belches on air, though. She burps on air. Now you hear, excuse me.
No, she's like, excuse me, pardon me, sorry.
No. All types
I get it all in, so I get it all out.
The attic and the basement.
Nah, that's you, the basement gas.
Alright,
Unless you want to stand in the hallway because you can't stand in the room.
alright, so let's get that 5 sips. Not sips, 5 swallows. Ready?
5 gulps.
Not go, just like swallow. Like swallowing. Ready? Ooh. Oh, he came back. It's sitting right
Oh,
there.
it's in my ear. I can see it. I'm good now.
Ready?
All I thought was my
That was
ear.
one.
That's one.
Like,
Oh, keep your top off.
I had to stop.
Oh, Lord. Round 2. Jesus! It's gonna help me out. What are you doing? You're not swallowing. You gotta swallow more than that.
No, I don't.
Okay?
A swallow is a swallow.
We made it 2 rounds.
He's gonna try to talk your way to me.
But when we get to the 4th, we gotta do ghosts. Why your eyes watering?
That's a Pepsi.
Charles,
This is the strongest soda out of all these.
No.
This isn't. No, this is stronger than that. I can tell you that for sure.
Yeah.
This is way stronger than Kool.
Alright, we got now, see, this is not working. Now we gotta do 5 ghosts. Ready? 5 ghosts. No, you're doing swallows. 5 go. So that means your soda should be down here
My
somewhere.
show should be wherever.
Ready? They do it. Come on, let's go. 5 ghosts. Now get your thing.
I was
I can
wondering
feel it.
why we had so much soda in the fridge.
Charles, you alright? Hey!
Oh my
That's
god.
cheating.
I almost choked, yo.
Come on!
That's cheating.
Is it right there?
Smack my back though.
You were okay.
I was fine.
Is yours right there? Are you feeling it?
Will you stop touching me?
Alright, let's go.
It was like forcing his way out.
Let's go. I can do this. 5 gulps. You gotta make it down halfway past the line.
You can't be
No,
making me.
because when everybody did theirs went shoot. Yeah, they went down here.
Yeah, but I drink water every day.
Ready? Look at them. Listen, complaining. Let's go. Come on.
I will let you
Get
drink all
past the
that
line.
stuff.
Ready?
I get back.
Come on, baby. Woo!
I'm not thirsty.
Is yours right? Okay, Charles.
Nick, I heard that.
Yeah, that just came out.
No, that didn't come out. So you missed one, right? So you just got 1 burp go around. So you still good, because we can come out of nowhere.
Baby, you have to let it out. Don't hurt yourself.
I feel where you at, though. It's called a rock and rocker.
For real.
I just came with my tongue.
What?
When I moved my tongue, it was like.
Y'all ready? This is everybody's competitive in this house, so. Ready? Let's go. We can do this.
This is the 4th one, so there's only one
Come on,
after
babe.
that.
Come on.
You can stop. You can.
You're not even drinking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Charles, how you doing? Who's gonna hold this now? How's it going, Nick? Why your face look like that? Mine's is right here. You got one right there? It shows right there. Just say yes or no now.
Lose a challenge. I'm gonna try to come with your biggest burp I've ever had. 'Cause I'm feeling it. This is actually about to be fun for me. I'm not even gonna lie.
He about to burp the alphabet.
Alright, guys.
I'm not even gonna lie. This challenge I won't mind losing. Just because of the amount of burp that feels inside.
This is the last go round. Normally when people were doing it, By the time they got this
They
good.
must drink soda
So,
all the time.
We're gonna go
to 5.
10 gulps on this last round. Ready?
I can barely get the fifth.
I'm gonna drown.
You win. Ready?
You got it.
Come on.
I was trying to get the fifth.
10 to 5 goes like every
Yeah, you
No,
can't
you gotta not drink it like them.
can't drink like that. I drink water Monday.
10 gulps. Ready?
Nope.
Wait, 10? I'm a bird.
Alright, y'all not. I'm not actually doing 10.
You're a bird. You got a bird.
Ready to go 10.
Hey, come on, baby.
Really, nigga?
Y'all lost.
Oh man, that was great. Yes, that was great. Oh. Oh yes.
I stopped there.
That was like the go-in first ever. That was the best burp of all time, I tell you. I could do this challenge again, just to see if I can burp even more than I just did just now. Y'all understand, like, I don't get to drink soda like that, so I don't get a chance to burp like that. So to be able to get one out,
Go ahead,
just
drink.
let it
You see
loose.
if you can do it now. Just go ahead and do your gum and see what happens.
Oh, you did 10.
It just felt good though. Just keep drinking, just like.
I can't drink like that.
That's
Stop. Get out.
Oh, that was probably the most. That was the most fun I had with ever. Oh, that was a great burp.
This is
You know you got burp.
They walk.
Yeah, because I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, it's like sitting in
You know
my.
you sitting it down.
I don't think anybody should drink that
I got all mine out at one time. I felt it. I was like, yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up out of this one. It's like.
You need to burp.
Now I'm doing that when I have to burp so much that I have to throw up after.
Or like you know like that where like you kind of throw up a little bit and it like it
Hurts.
But
Yeah.
don't swallow it, don't burp again.
That burp point won't be there.
That's y'all soda. Please, they burp. You know you got burp.
I pushed it down.
She burped.
I don't even want to burp the same type of Charles
Ooh.
I don't want to burp the same. I don't feel like I'm in the same league.
I ain't care about losing.
And I still winner champion.
Guess what? I don't care. Just to be able to burp like that is worth losing.
Yeah, drink that.
I pushed it down. I don't like them. And you know what? So I gotta be sweet because everybody else burp off like this. Sometimes I pushed it down. I'm different. I burp all the time. They be sitting up there thirsting for burp. I not have to. So I pushed it down.
Oh man. Comment down below. What y'all
I like
think of
farting
burps.
better.
Yeah, fart challenge. Yeah, they gonna lose a lot, bro.
No, we gonna do it. That'll win.
Okay, so we gonna do. We gonna buy a whole thing of fucking beans.
Oh,
I ain't got nothing to do with that. I'm not even coming out That's it. Bring me on negatory. No.
Just go grab some peanuts from the fire.
No, ain't nobody about to be up in the house. It's gonna be some methane gas. They gonna be like candles 3 days. No.
No, but I feel like
all the animals that breathe gonna die. So no parts
more satisfying. Like when you get there doing one good part where it just pushes everything out.
That is called a shit.
No. And then
booty cheek slap a little bit.
Or no, when you drill.
Alright. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Y'all know who's gonna win.
I'm gonna find some cheese. We gonna get some wings.
I said he said, let's go, Michael. Don't play with me.
Well, hold on, wait a minute. She ain't do the same show that's still sitting in there.
And not going to.
You gonna win?
I'm not gonna do it.
Cause you're not gonna win.
Herein lies the problem. I ain't do it and I can't lose. So there you go. So either way.
Alright guys.
Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, we'll go live to that. Y'all know who hit some comments for.
Anywho.
Just laugh at the burps. That's the best part
Charles
of the
won
video.
that shit.
That's the best part of the video. That's probably the most fun I had.
There's so much Burp air. There's so much Charles air in the DNA in the air right now.
Officially wanted.
You're not. You got a hotel coming here. You're gonna wipe that off everything.
Alright guys.
We gotta go buy soda so she can burp. So.
And I don't even drink sodas like that no more. I kind of gave them up. Anyway, thank y'all guys for watching. Like we said, don't forget to did you burp? She burped. So she didn't. Smash the notification bell. Hit that like button.
And if you want
leave
to
a comment down.
change,
Leave a comment down below. What else? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And share our videos. Share our video. Check your notification bell. Anyway, this is DC KOOLAID.
This Lisa.
Nick.
Brittany.
Charles.
And we out.
Peace.
Yeah. DC KOOLAID and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, pranks, and vlogging, man. We a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K, best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. DC KOOLAID, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Town. Have a seat watching videos. And nobody likes to hate, keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot, smash that like button. Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad. Hey!